Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of unboxing. I got a Trendmood box, and if you don't know what Trendmood is, the brand is owned by Sophie Schaub. I think that's how you pronounce her name. I hope I'm not butchering it. And she is huge on posting updates on everything that's coming out in the beauty industry, makeup, cosmetics, all that kind of stuff. And now she started creating or curating, full of makeup and skincare. And I recently snagged a box. It's really hard to get a box because if she's well known within the industry, and getting a box, I mean, the boxes are sold within 10-15 minutes. So if you missed the notification, you're out of luck. So I managed to snag one, and I was holding on to it to open it until I was able to film it because I'm excited and I wanted to share it with you guys. But before we do that, if you're new here on my channel, my name is Maria Luisa. I would love it if you would decide to stay and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I upload videos twice a week regarding beauty and skincare and all that kind of fun stuff. So let's get started with this unboxing and see what's in there. Alright, I'm getting a little bit closer. I'm wearing a tank top because I don't know, for some reason it's really hot in my house. So I am like, I don't know if I'm having a hot flash or what it is, because the other day I was freezing. So I don't know. I don't know what I got going here. But I have the Trendmood box, and it retails for $58. You don't have to have a subscription. If you want the box, you just buy it outright and you get you get your box delivered to your door with whatever she decided to put in for the month. And you do pay, it's free shipping, but you do pay like a shipping insurance. It was like 98 cents. So I think $58. We'll see what's in there and if it's worth it. So her signature color is purple, which is my favorite color too. And it comes with some nice tissue paper, as you can see here. And let's see what's in here. So first of all, I've got this Cora Organics. It says non-night AHA resurfacing serum. So it seems this is for nighttime. Little thing alone retails for $72 on Sephora. Wow. It's 30 milliliters, 1.1 fluid ounces. It's a powerful certified organic night treatment serum using natural AHAs, BHA, and ferments to help resurface the skin, leaving a smooth and refined complexion. All right, and for the second item, let's move on. No, this video is going to take forever. This one is from Bite Beauty. All right, so this is $22, and again, it's a full size. It's called Bite Line and Define Vegan Lip Primer. I'm just reading from the website here. And it says it's a clean, vegan, multitasking lip primer made with superfoods, kiwi seed oil, and jackfruit extract to keep your lip color in line and extend its wear. So it's basically like a primer, a lip primer. We shall see. Bite Agave. Oh, is this what I think it is? This is the Lip Agave from Bite Beauty. And this stuff is magical. I put it on at night. Yeah, it's got the little plug right now, but I have one already open, so I'm not going to open this one. But I'm glad I got a second one because I love this stuff. You put it on at night, and literally you wake up with your lips are so soft and smooth, and it tastes really good. It's like, I don't know, it's sweet. So this Agave lip balm is $26. All right, then we've got Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen with Zinc Oxide from, which one is this one? Isn't this? From First Aid Beauty. This is really nice too because I love, it says it's safe for sensitive skin, which is me. Wow, it's even got like drug facts and everything on the back, like for medication. The ultra lightweight formula blends seamlessly into skin without leaving a white residue thanks to the universal sheer tint. So this will not leave a tint because it's got a skin tint to it. So that's kind of cool. I'd be excited to try that out, see how it works under foundation, let you guys know. It retails for $34. So then we have, oh my gosh, that's so cute. We got a little troll. Little troll losing his hair. Oh my goodness. Little troll is losing his hair. Ooh. No. Look at that. And he's naked. Why are you naked, Mr. Troll? I don't know. Yeah, well, we're going to put you over here. Find you some clothes. There you go. Mr. Naked Troll. Alright, so due to that, I'm assuming we've got troll, and yeah, I can see it here. We got troll themed makeup, and it's from Pure. I know right away because they launched that like last month. And wow, there's all 3 of them in here. That's crazy. There's 3 that Pure launched. So these are the 3. Isn't that nuts? Wow. And I had them upside down. There you go. These are the 3. So apparently there are 6 palettes in total, but we get 3 in the Trendmood box. And each one of these retails for $18. All right. And then we've got from the beautiful, there it is. I can do this. From the beautiful Kimchi, and we've got her palette. Wow, and we get a little Trendmood code. So this is, ooh, nice. It's nice and silky. This is a the unboring highlight palette. So it's got 6 colors, highlighting and strobing. It says highlighters that leaves you shining bright like your future. I've got every color for your everyday needs, whether you want to go subtle or colorful. Very cool. I love her. That's awesome. And now I've got troll hairs in my nose. Okay. Kimchi palette retails for $18. So I'm going to do a little mini makeup session here, and so that we can test out. I'm excited. I want to test out. I can't test out the skincare right now, but I want to test out this Drama Queen and some of the little trolls, the trolls eyeshadow palette, so you guys can see what they look like. And so I'm gonna go put on foundation and everything else so that you don't have to go through the whole shebang, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and as you can see, I did my foundation, lipstick, contour, you know, bronzer, all that kind of good stuff. And I did go ahead and do one eye because I wanted to make sure I knew what I was going to do. There's these 3 beautiful palettes to pick from. So this is Techno, and then they have the classical. Whoops. Got the cute little inserts. This is the classical, and then we have Funk. So I'm going to start with this small little brush from Peaches and Cream, and this is the PC34. I'm going to take this like green here, this like yellow green, right, and I'm going to start it right here in this area close to the center of the, close to the bridge of the nose. I just take this all across to the edge of the eye. And once I put down the product, then I can softly go and just with the edge, you know, like really, I'm just basically scratching to blend out the edge right here. I'm going to go in with my second color, which is this teal right here. And that one again, I'm going to deposit first the color. So we're just gonna pack it on there, deposit the color, nice and pigmented. Just kind of a tad lower than where I started with the other green. So isn't that gorgeous, that teal color, that jewel tone? Then we're gonna go in with the brown. And this one is just gonna go on the outside like here. So I'm gonna put it on like if I was putting on eyeliner, cat eyeliner. And I'm going to bring it up a little bit towards the inner eye. That, see how beautiful that cat eye ends up looking? And then I'll take that same yellow green and kind of blend that out a little bit right here. Not too much, because we have a really pretty brown, but I just kind of want to give it that little halo of the green that we started off with, the green yellow. Now we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. All right, now that the crease is cut, then we're going to go in with another brush, and this one is on 232, and I'm going to spray both sides. Try not to look up too much. Then I'm going to go into the middle purple of the palette. Off any excess and put this close to the brown right there. Now that the purple's on, look how beautiful that chrome is. Then I'm going to go in and put the teal, or the light teal that's right over here. This teal is everything. Alright, and then for the center, I'm just going to take my finger and put the gold that you see over here right between those two colors. Like so. Isn't that gorgeous, those jewel tones? I love it. Oh! Now I'm going to put on some eyeliner. I'll be right back. There is on both sides. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on. Since I want the eye look to look snatched like that, I'm not gonna put anything under my eye, because I have this like Cleopatra thing going on with the jewel tones and stuff. Now I'm gonna go with, we're going to check out the Unmooring highlight palette. This is the Drama Queen. This is what it looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Ooh. Those are some beautiful highlights. But I think I like this green. I wonder how this green will look. It might be a little, is it a little too far out? Let's see. Oh. Okay. Wow. I guess it does match my jewel tone, huh? But that was, I just did a little bit, and look at, whoa. for the Cupid's bow, with the nose. Ooh, that is a pretty, these are pretty highlighters. The bridge of the nose. I'm gonna get a smaller brush. And my temples that I like to do, well, above my brow. The chin. There we go. And then I'm gonna play with all the colors today. For for the inner corner, I'm gonna use this to highlight right up here. I don't want to cover up that black little Cleopatra thing. Ooh, holy cannoli. That is so gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. I am loving this eye look today. Would you like to see a look with the other two palettes? I can see how I can use all the colors, because I basically used all the colors of the blue ones. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That it helps my channel so much. I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful for the new subscribers I've had lately, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.